Seng Hspdp hak arbasan tering mentau benai kala Dawa na baro ki arngot ki menteri rangba cho kejala Assam bat kejala Meghalaya ban pen I ke jingshim khia bat kumjuru ban ai ke jingkular halor ke Jingiapynbeit Pud Assam jogin riutali ki jaka ki bahab hapdeng kaja.
I would like to express my thankfulness, my happiness, my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, and Honorable Chief Minister of my state, Sri Konrad Sama. Because if we speak about the so-called long pending dispute matter, this long pending dispute matter should have been solved before 1972, because whatever experience we face, whatever we declare the state, always along with the boundary. But it is very unfortunate or surprisingly, while Meghalaya is celebrating the 50 years celebration of statehood, but 50 years Golden Jubilee statehood celebration, now we are yet to know the demarcation or the boundary of the interstate boundary of the Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the year 2022 Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya statehood. At the same time, I strongly believe, hope that it is in the midst or on the eve of this Golden Jubilee that the state of Meghalaya will also celebrate full-fledged boundary in between Meghalaya and Assam. Surprisingly, as I have mentioned, boundary should have demarcated prior 1972. But after 50 years, we are still hoping that this year is the year that we are going to see the light of the day regarding the demarcation of the interstate boundary.
Habaikre mikla patai khubor ba KP Pangniang President jo Seng ulong ba sarkar jilla bar sarkar Assam kini ban Pynstet no ek kamban Jingiapynbeit Pud Assam jo kini kin riutali ki jaka kin thubru ek langpi bar ka block 1 block 2.
Now the other 6 sectors need to be looked into with immediate effect, and I hope that the same spirit of the both Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam will do the same mission to bring into conclusion, to find ways and means for final settlement. For the other 6 sector, like Lampi sector, Block 1, Block 2 sector, and others, sector, and with the same spirit of mutual understanding, amicable solution, the spirit of brotherhood will also able to reach the final solution of these other six areas of difference.